Everybody, what's up? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now, hope you have a good day, guys. Welcome back to another video about smooth low portion, guys. In this video, I'm talking about the currently price update of SLP coin. What's the price? What's the price changes occur in the smooth low portion? Let me show you guys. But if you are new, if you don't subscribe our channel, so kindly subscribe now for more news and update videos. At this time, guys, if we talk about the currently live price of smooth low portion SLP coin, so 0.064934 USD dollar, that is the currently price of SLP smooth low portion in the market. At the side, you can see here, unfortunately, the latest situation, the latest changes update of smooth low portion is going negative. But guys, don't look these update, guys. Now, very soon you found these all update becomes positive, but you have to just wait. You have to just take time. Every coin takes time, so just hold, guys. Let me show you the price chart for short time. But guys, please subscribe, it's very important for all of you. You know what, activeness is very important in a crypto market. So for latest update, kindly click the subscribe button for more news and update videos. Now guys, you can see here SEA coin is also dumbest, but I believe, guys, that in the last week, now from tomorrow, I believe my prediction is that from tomorrow you found SLP coin price positive mode. The price will become positive from tomorrow. Gradually the price will pump, so that's why my prediction is positive. And on the basis of this update, you know what, not only SLP coin, XRP, Cardano, a lot of coins, Shiba Inu is also in the pumping mood, Harmony also in the pumping mood, Dogecoin is also in the pumping mood due to the last of month. So I believe that it is the last of month. Just hold, never decide to sit. Anyways, what's your opinion, what's your price prediction for this SLP? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel.